there's gonna be a lot of wolf whistles.
I deal with that quite a lot in my normal life.
Yeah. G'day ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yuan.
And my name is Louis, and welcome to HEYA Productions.
Today what we'll be doing is we're going to test out a few makeup.
Just a disclaimer, we've never put makeup on before in our life. There was a period in college when I was a bit curious. And today we're going to try to do this makeup thing for the first time. So
yeah, so just hold on to your seats and hopefully you guys have fun and take a few notes from us because we are the professionals.
So this is a makeup tutorial for any tradies out there who want to impress their women.
Alright, so what do we have here today, Louis?
So we have a selection of makeup that we're going to be applying today. We have the round thingy, which is what women use. And I have this lipstick. I've chosen purple because I think it will make my eyes stand out. And hopefully, I think it's gloss, but we'll see once we apply it.
Okay, so the next one is the lipstick.
So today I'm going to begin with the cream foundation. Now you need a foundation to build your success on. So if you want to impress your ladies, you want to impress your girlfriend, first you start with a solid foundation and then you build upon that, and that's how you succeed. See, women want the effort. That's what matters.
Yeah.
In the end.
And so for your face, a good foundation is the key.
We should begin with this tutorial.
Alright, first of all, I need to move my glasses.
This particular foundation comes with a pre-installed fluffy thingy, and we're going to use it to spread across our facial area.
Facial area.
And so yeah, let's begin. Just add all of it. Just all of it. I reckon that's how it works.
Oh, it doesn't work that way. Well,
I'm just gonna guess and say that this is the amount of people that the ladies use.
I think this matches my skin tone very well. So
I reckon apply to the forehead. I reckon
first the forehead. Okay?
I reckon women really try and highlight the forehead when they go out.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my finger and just apply it from my finger. I think this is the easiest way to do it. So just right across the bottom of your eyes here, on the bottom of your lips, on your chin.
I reckon that's pretty good.
You're like this. The way you distribute it on your face is so even.
I'll just like distribute my love across the world.
Distribute it. You're really good. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I'm actually applying it on my cheeks now. On my bottom cheeks. I'm putting some more on my temple region.
See, what you can see the difference between how white I am here and how less white I am on this side.
I don't know how much to put on.
That's the key to the success of makeup.
How much do you reckon I should put on?
Be generous with the makeup.
Alright, so the more the better?
Yeah. I guess you have to judge. Do you want to go to clubs? Where do you want to go?
The look that I'm going for today is a casual afternoon coffee at a beachside cafe.
I reckon you've done it. I reckon that's definitely the beachside cafe look right there.
Thanks. I'm going to even it out with these sponges. Now, if you don't have these type of sponges at home, guys, I suggest that you guys go to your kitchen, get a sponge, one of your dishwashing sponge, cut a piece out and use that. That's a good applicator.
Now see that I have evenly applied to my facial area, and now I am less white. So now we'll just I think you're doing a good application there. I think
thanks, bro.
I think it's pretty good. I reckon I think women go down the neck and then they create like a V shape.
Yeah, you're right actually, because you know what? I still have this part of my body that shows. Just go as low as you want, guys. It's totally up to you. I prefer going all the way just above my cleavage, A lot of guys, they like to wear t-shirts, so this is where the cutoff line is for you guys.
Usually makeup's special occasions, so if you want to treat your girlfriend to a nice dinner, take her out, then use some more uplifting colors, and hopefully she will be impressed by your makeup skills.
But it's okay if you put more on your lips, because later on you're gonna apply lipstick, so you won't be able to see the foundation at all.
So for the makeup removal, after all this is done, we're going to be using DETTOL multi-purpose wipes, and these are great for removing your skin and also the makeup. It burns, but at least it works.
Alright, so guys, I finished applying my foundation to my face. How do I look?
I reckon it's pretty good. So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be
the lipstick, our favorite part of the makeup.
Alright, now I want to apply the purple, and let's give this a shot.
And I'm gonna apply the Coral Kiss. Alright, so how would you do this, Louis?
I think that the key is, have you ever used coloring books? I think it's just like that. You just color it in
between the lines.
Like just color it in.
How do you go like around the lip?
I think that if you focus and you believe in yourself, you can do it.
That's a really good tip for everyone of you guys. Believe in yourself. Now, to do this, you really have to have a steady hand, okay? To apply lipstick, it takes a lot of effort.
And any recovering alcoholics, it's a good tip. So if you are having shaking hands, just make sure you have a drink before you do it. See, if you want to have fuller lips, you go wider, so you go upwards, in the upwards motion.
So that's my first coat.
I think that's pretty good.
This is my second coat because I want a really deep, dark, rich color on my lips.
So I think that you use this brush thing to get rid of any hard edges.
There you go. How does that look, Louis?
That's pretty good. That's quite well done.
Wow, you must be really good at arts and crafts, especially with your coloring. You're definitely in between the lines.
I think that's pretty good. I just want to get rid of those hard edges. That's the key.
I think I did a good job, so I don't really need to do the hard edging, the cleaning out of the edges. I might just a little bit though.
I think that's quite good. So the next thing I'm going to do,
there you go, done,
is apply a little bit of foundation over the lipstick and then reapply the lipstick.
Now, why do you apply foundations over the lipstick, Louis?
I think it's because I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm guessing. So here we go. So now I'm going to apply foundation over my lipstick and then reapply the lipstick. And I think that's what women do. Let's say, for example, once a male starts kissing you, the lipstick fades away, and then there's another layer of lipstick, so they can keep kissing you, and you still look beautiful. So that's why I want to do that. So when my girlfriend does kiss me eventually, there's gonna be a second layer.
When Hilary Duff kisses him, she's gonna see how much effort he put into it. And I can't wait for.
That's a good point. It's the effort that counts.
The effort that he puts in for Hilary Duff.
It's the effort.
Yeah. Okay, so now the foundation is on. For today, just to keep it nice and short, we're only going to put 2 layers on, okay? So, reapply the lipstick. So just a quick 1, 2 over, and done. Look at that.
That's pretty good. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick. Makeup is about boosting your confidence and your belief in yourself, and to show people that you are a strong, independent man. And you go out there and you get your woman.
Alright, so now, since we've already done our lips, which looks amazing by the way, Louis.
Oh, thanks mate. That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
No worries. I think we should go with the eyes now.
See, eyes are the key to the soul. Remember that.
I like to work with details first before I apply the what's that called?
This one's called the mascara.
The mascara.
And
so, applying the liquid eyeliner. I'm thinking, I like those little dangly thing on the side that women do.
Oh, you mean the flicking bobs?
The flickerbobs.
Yeah, those things.
Yeah, I should look like Kendall Jenner.
I'm a fan of Kendall Jenner.
You like Kendall Jenner?
Yeah, I'm a fan.
I like Kylie.
Kylie's a bit too, a bit too posh for me.
I'm gonna go try getting the
You're gonna do
Kylie Jenner look or
yeah,
the Kendall Jenner look.
or
I
the
don't
flick me bob.
know. The flickerbob.
And I'm gonna apply this mascara, and let's see how we go.
Make sure you don't poke your eyes, eh? This is quite dangerous. Like you want to get it right in that part of your eyes, and it's again steady hands does it.
So he's gonna do the flick me bob motion. I'm gonna do the this one. See, I think you want to comb with this one. You want to comb your eyelashes down. Comb them down.
You want to try getting as close to the eyes, but not poke your eyes out. This eye here is giving me stress because I can't really get it as perfect as the other eye. Oh shit!
So with this mascara, I think women usually do the eyebrows as well.
Yeah, let's swap, mate.
So you want to do this one?
Have you applied both sides?
Yeah, I did the comb down and the flicky up.
Okay, the comb down and the flicky up. That's a good point. It's okay if it smears all around your eyes, like with the eyeliner and the mascara, because we are going to apply the eyeshadows.
Remember that you are beautiful the way you are.
Yeah.
This is about boosting and showing and making yourself shine, mate.
God. Do you reckon if a guy sees me in the club, he'll ask me out?
It's about the attitude, mate.
Yeah.
It's about the attitude.
Alright, so we'll say 50% attitude, 50% makeup, but you really need to apply the makeup really well to yourself. Because nothing screams predator in a club than someone that walks in there with no eyebrows. I'm going to use a mascara and I'm going to slowly brush it just ever so softly because you don't want it to be too thick.
So you want to colour those eyebrows in.
Look, with me personally, I like volume in my eyebrows, so you have to go up stroke. So
see what he's doing here, he's doing the fluffy up. The fluffy up is a technique that women use.
Wow, look at that. I got my eyebrows back, guys.
You did quite a good job. I think mine better, to be honest. But this isn't a competition.
It's not a competition, guys. It's never a competition. You're taking this thing seriously.
I'm just gonna use this to comb my eyebrows in that direction. And what are you gonna do, Ewan?
Eyeshadow. Now, I don't even know what the hell an eyeshadow is. Like, the effect that they're trying to get is panda. Think panda. Like, see all these bags underneath your eyes? You want to get as much of that as possible because you don't want that showing.
That's a fantastic tip.
Yep. I've chosen to go with the gold today. All around. Think panda. Louis, think panda. Alright, so just go around like that. See?
That's pretty good. I think you've done a really good job there.
Thanks, man. And again, now applying it on the other side of my eyes. And down. Nice little soft strokes. Panda. Think panda. Okay. And now on the top. Being careful not to get the eyebrows.
So now what I'm going to do while he applies the gold, I'm going to apply the highlighting trio. Now I'm going to apply all three. I think that's what women usually do. So while he's doing the eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this highlighting trio. And I'm going to use all three.
That's good to use all three, okay guys? Because by using all three, you get that nice contrast. I think I'm done with the gold eyeshadow. Use a darker eyeshadows to those parts of your eyes that you accidentally smeared.
So what's great about this highlighting trio is that you can use it on your cheeks, on your eyelashes, on your lips, wherever, on your facial area that you will like to make pop and make it be on fleek. You want to use this tiny brush. I think if you use the back of it to break it up, that's the key. You do a twisty twist. Always do the twisty twist, and then you apply it on an outward motion, like this.
So he's using the darker one on his cheeks because he wants that rosy cheek effect. It makes him look 10 years younger if he has that nice rosy cheek.
Now I'm gonna go a bit lighter. I'm gonna use this one
I'm gonna share some
around
with you,
the
mate.
nose area.
Alright.
So the nose area, you always want to do the flick down.
Whereas me, I like it to keep it nice and simple. So from here, I'm gonna divide my face into 3 sections. So for the top one, I'm gonna go darker. So I'm gonna use this color here. And then for the mid-range of my face, I'm gonna use this color. And then for the bottom part of my face, I'm gonna use this color. So that you can see the contrast. Use a good, nice brush, okay? These brushes are amazing. They feel so good on your face.
For those fellas who have beards, this mascara is great to make it a lot darker and make it pop. Just so you know.
Mate, your face, especially your eyes, look a little bit bare. I think you need to apply some eyeshadows. This is a little bit dirty, but I think you can work with that, eh?
See, he went with the panda look. I'm going to go with the recovering alcoholic look.
It's either the recovering alcoholic look or the single mum with 5 kids and she's stressing the hell out and she's got massive bags on her eyes.
See, I've applied a line just going around the bags of my eyes.
So I've done the top section of my face. Now I'm going with the mid section. So I'm going to go with a lighter tone. So this here, this middle section here. And this is going to go right just where my eyes start here down to where my nose is. I think that's a good mid section of your face. Just get a good amount of this on. Good amount. And then just apply there, just like that. Make sure you get some on your nose as well. Don't leave your nose out. This
Whoa! Different person.
I know. Bloody sexy. Sorry to keep you waiting, mate. So you can just talk about whatever you want. Have you got any facts to share with the viewers?
Well, lipstick was originally invented, surprisingly, for your nostrils.
Yep, good facts. Good facts to know.
The chemical produced in your brain when you fall in love is also found in chocolate and green peas. So if you ever feel lonely, just go out and get some green peas, some chocolate, chuck on some Netflix, and you'll find that all the love you need is within you.
And within that green peas as well.
Also within the green peas.
See how the tone changes?
Yeah, it's good. So when you're in the clubs and you're dancing, it changes, like it reflects. That's the key.
Picture this, mate. Clubs, lights, strobes, everywhere.
Yeah.
They see my face.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
Use a little bit of lipstick to make my cheeks a bit more rosy.
So that's Louis' final tip. My final tip is that you get liquid eyeliner and you just draw around your lips. Look at that, see? It just gives it a little bit of an extra highlight to your lips.
I reckon that works out pretty well.
Okay. I seem like girls do it all the time when they apply lipstick.
Yep, you should do that.
And lastly, once your face is done, you have to really take care of your hair.
Now you can use eyeliner on your hair as well if you like, but that is a personal choice. I think I am going to just use the flicky flick, and I think that's all I need.
Your hair's pretty good today. But when you woke up this morning, your hair was already good.
Yeah.
You're just blessed with such a good hair, bro.
Oh, thanks, man. That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
Didn't your dad ever say that to you once?
Well, it's a bit of a sad story. My dad went out for milk one day and never came back.
Shit, sorry. I remember you told me that one time. And there you go, guys. We have finished our makeup tutorial. What do you think, Louis? How do you think
we did quite a good job for our first time ever applying makeup.
And be prepared, guys. If you guys are going to turn out as stunning as we do today, as soon as you walk out that door, there's going to be a lot of wolf whistles.
I deal with that quite a lot in my normal life.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you again for tuning in this time. We've got more videos for you next time.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to recommend any video ideas down below, please do. And thanks, guys, for watching. My name is Louis.
My name is Yuan. Thanks for watching the Yena production.
And thanks for watching.
Alright, bye-bye. Oh, mate, this shit's not coming off. It's burning. Maybe we shouldn't say to use Dettol next time, hey? Alright, so don't use Dettol.